Hello and welcome back everybody to the active showroom here at St.Albert Dodge. Today we are previewing this 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk with only 72,000 kilometers. A recent fresh trade. Let's take a look at this vehicle from the exterior. So first things first, beautiful red tow hooks, okay, nice two-tone hood, okay, beautiful LED lights throughout, okay, as we come around to the side. Nice two-tone color option here with your lovely bright orange and black roof. Okay, sitting on 17-inch wheels. Now the Compass Trailhawk is also, among other Trailhawk models that Jeep has, elevated about 1.5 inches off the top. So a little bit of a higher ride height, a little bit better for that all-terrain experience. Okay, moving to the rear, those same lovely red tow hooks. Okay, power lift gate. Graciously maintained, never been smoked in. The rear mats looks like they haven't even been used. The back seat, well, like many other vehicles these days, look unused at all. You've got your power liftgate function right here as well, so we go shut, shut, shut. We'll move into the interior of the vehicle shortly. First things first, Bose audio for a great listening experience. Couple safety features in there as well that we'll go through right away. Guys, welcome back. We're now in the interior of this 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. First things first, Beats audio, bam, bam, bam. All power options, heated mirrors as well. Sitting inside, you got your lovely leather interior with the previous owner happened to leave all of their original all-weather mats. Just from your basic display, your 8.4-inch unit, with your full select terrain driving modes here. Dual climate control for his and hers or climate. On the inside here, we have parking sensors for the front and the rear, as well as lane keep as well. Obviously, full Bluetooth capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, what have you. How could you forget a lovely dual pane panoramic sunroof, as well as all of your additional stuff, so like your pot lights and your lift gate function at the top right there. Again, only 72,000 kilometers on this vehicle, a fantastic commuter, small in stature, but very, very rugged in style. Guys, if you have any other questions or if you'd like to book an appointment for a test drive, please call me, Anton, here at St.Albert Dodge. My phone number is 780-952-4472. Thanks.